Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I don't know when you're watching this, but it's morning here and it's another cooking video. Have you subscribed? That's my chief chef costume. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please subscribe. Today we'll be making Okpa Enugu, Okpa 9th mile. So if you've heard of 9th mile Okpa, that is what Kosimwa is trying to not increase the. She can cook, don't mind her. 9th mile standard is what she's about to make. So follow us as we teach you how to make Okpa Enugu with Chef Kosi. Like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions. I can call her, she'll answer it. Alright. And so it begins. Kosi, what do we have inside here? So you pound your pepper and uziza. She's telling everybody has their way, but
way of making. Some people just mix this one with warm water first.
Me, what I even do is I mix my pan oil first before I add things. But this is Kosi's way. So this is fresh pepper, uziza, and now she has introduced oil. And she wants to introduce salt. Do you put Maggi?
Just tiny.
Do you put crayfish? Is crayfish inside already? Salt, small crayfish, uziza seed. Now she's added oil. Turn. This is warm water.
This is hot water.
This is hot water. She's introducing the hot water. Why am I saying water? Water. I thought you said the water will not be enough.
I'm checking if it's not going to be enough. I'll move it to.
Small water, or if you put too much water in your okpa, you cook what Chidera cooked for you. I don't know what that thing was, sure. So she's introducing it. You go back with the hot water. Why are you using hot water, not warm water? Because you're not using your hands to mix it, sure.
Let's mix it first. I don't know why there isn't water. How I want some more. 16.
Who taught you? Grandma.
I'm going to put the mix faster.
Yeah. You use warm water if you're using your hand. Because with this now you can't touch it. There's okpa on the mortar, on the pestle, sorry.
This thing is
Cold. So you're looking for a consistency that is not watery but creamy. I don't know how to explain this for you. So you don't need it to be watery. It needs to be creamy, like it's still thick, but not too thick. The best test is if you put a spoon, you should cover the spoon. You should not run through the spoon. How do I show it to you people? When Kosi reads the mortar, you see it. See, the mortar is not clear, it's still there. That's the consistency you're looking for. voice. It's someone at the background. It's not me that is singing. I don't know.
It's our village people.
Yes. But this thing has lumps.
No, sit down. I'm not done.
What do you want to include now?
I'll use the cup to come.
Oh. So now she has moved to a cup. Go and cook what Chidera cooked that day.
Yeah, I know what time.
That thing was like, that thing was moi moi.
It's my wife. It's still very thick. Then you check for salt before you add any other water.
Check for salt before you add any other water. She didn't add Maggi here, so I don't think it's important to add Maggi. As if you like Maggi like that.
The Maggi will be very small.
I don't even think there's much. I don't think it's important though. Very tiny, not even up to half. Because Maggi has a very pronounced, like, one taste like that, so if you add, it will come out. Is it true that Okpa 9th mile they always use aqua instead of oil?
Apple. And some pound, like village now, they'll cook this thing, apple, and use the oil.
That one will be sweeter.
But no, we don't have that time. Just come buy oil.
She wants to get more water. The gods of our land are telling her that it's too sick. So she checked for salt and she thought to add more.
If you become married like that.
It's okay.
I'm not doing anything, just do something.
How many cups of Okpa was that?
4.
4 cups. 4 tiny cups.
And then mama cook.
Come if I cook 4 cups of Okpa, it's always small.
I mean, days are almost there.
Days.
Like in 2-3 days.
Days, okay.
Oh, just that day.
4 cups of Okpa will even go twice. I feel like it's my method that makes it small. I'm not sure. Is that not Mom's voice?
They went to the farm and cut the egg.
They've taken it.
Someone took the egg.
Because we wasted time.
It's our farm now. When you go to someone's farm and take their this thing that they did not plant.
So guys, we planted a day and before they could go and harvest it, they've taken out the edge.
Yeah, see all the stress she went to plan this thing.
Ah. Are you sure it's the people that should not pay that got angry?
No, she paid everybody.
No, like, you know, they're supposed to help her harvest it.
No, she said she'll leave her hand when she comes.
So see. Okpa Enugu. This is what I don't do. I don't tie it like this. With this one, if you can even tie it 2 in 1.
I can tie to one. I don't want to do 3 in 1. But for this size is bigger.
No, don't do.
I can infuse it.
Kusine sikwani Kusine sikwani. Please, we are accepting bride price in dollars.
No, it's Kuwait that I accept.
Kuwait. What's that? Which country is this Kuwait?
In Dubai. What is this one?
You want
It's the highest currency now.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never heard of it.
It's the highest currency.
Does Dubai use Kuwait? God, I'm so... No, let me not disgrace myself on YouTube. Guys, let me know. Pounds. Who uses dirhams? Dubai does not use this. Does not use Kuwait.
But like this Arabic country. I think it's Kuwait like no.
Kuwait is a country, it's not a currency.
It's also a currency. They have their own money now. As our own is naira. Their own currency. Kuwait something.
Okay. I will do my research after this video. So she's doubling it so that it doesn't leak.
In case it's open.
Yeah. Are you seeing that this 4 cups is small?
It's small. It's because I'm adding more because the 4 cup is always like 2 days for us. Well, because this size is bigger.
So yeah, this is how you tie it. I shall be back. Say hi to Chef Kosi.
Hi.
So guys, we're now introducing the Okpa. You shake it first. Alright, now we make it setting for 5 minutes to 1 hour. Thank you. It's morning. Still not ready. So guys, it's ready. Perfect texture. Perfect consistency. But Enugu. Have it. Yummy, yummy. Best served with custard. Yummy, yummy. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed making Okpa together with Kosi and I technically did not do anything, but like I was a moral support. Try this recipe and let us know what you think about it. Everyone enjoyed it and it was yum. Say bye guys. Say bye guys. Subscribe.